Friends, this is Jagdale and you are watching my channel Tech STO. Welcome to my channel. Friends, normally LED lamps installed in a house we throw after it has gone bad. But today we are going to see how to repair those lamps and reuse them instead of throwing and save the money. So friends, let us start the video and see how you can do it yourself. In this room there are supposed to be 4 lamps. If you see, this is the first one, second, third, and this was 4th lamp, which is removed by me as it was not working. This is the lamp removed by me and I'm going to check it now. So friends, to repair or you need few tools. So let us see what are the tools required. This is the driver unit, 100 to 285 volt, 50 hertz, and output voltage is DC, 28 to 82 volts. For opening this, you have to remove for these holders. See, this way you have to remove the spring. This side spring also needs to be removed. See.
To open this lamp, there are a few screws here, which if you remove, this back plate you can remove and access the inside of the lamp. This is back plate. Oh my god, something seat. A glass, reflector glass. One more glass underneath. This is the glass. You see?
This is the driver. So firstly I will check its voltage at these 2 points. See, it is showing 73.9. This is a old lamp. Number of places it was shorted earlier and repaired. Again it has gone bad. So what I am thinking to now, I am going to change this LED strip completely and put it a new one strip here so that all these shorted portions and all this thing will glow properly, and as its luminance has gone down due to this shortage, I want to replace it completely new one. Friends, this is the old LED strip which was fitted in this lamp, but this strip I tried in the market, but it's not available in the market. So what I have decided now, instead of this strip, I am going to use another strip which is a parallel combination. This strip is a parallel combination of this type. So friends, with the help of glue gun, I have attached this LED strip here. So I am going to attach the driver here now. Let us see. This is the driver. Same driver which was earlier used. I am using it now. So friend, now connections are given with the help of driver to this lamp, and I am going to test how it works. So let us switch on the lamp and see what is the luminance it is giving. So if you see friends, this is the how it is giving warm light, not exactly white. I will switch off this lamp and I will show you. So this is how it illuminates and gives the light. Only the one thing is there, luminance is a bit less compared to earlier LED strip. If you watch here, there are more number of LEDs in the given space, whereas here if you see, there is a quite less LEDs are there in the given space. That's why luminance it is giving is less. So friends, this is how you can replace the LED strip if you don't have that original LED strip with the parallel LED strip, and you can utilize the lamp again instead of buying new one or throwing it. Only one thing you have to take sure, up to driver here AC voltage is involved. from switchboard to this driver, see voltage comes in, and output of this is around 74 volts DC. So any voltage more than 40 is dangerous to human being. So you have to take care while handling this electrical apparatus. Do like, share, subscribe this channel. Thank you. If you don't like, still you can leave the comment. Once again, thank you very much for watching it.